Hello SammyFans and welcome to our channel. So today we have a very big news for all Galaxy S21 series smartphone user waiting for One UI 4 beta update. Starting this month, Samsung released the August 2021 security update for the Galaxy S21 series smartphone in several markets. Ahead of the major Android switch, Samsung is offering another polished version of One UI 3 called One UI 3.1.1. It is reported that the company will deliver select One UI 3.1.1 feature through a software update, but the version number won't be changed. Now, as per the report of SammyFans, it looked like the alleged One UI 3.1.1 feature has finally arrived for the Galaxy S21 series and it's currently rolling out in Canada. According to the information, the update package weighs nearly 1.1 GB, while the changelog suggests system stability and security improvements. You can check the updated version of this smartphone on the screen. After upgrading the latest release, you will see several remarkable changes in the user interface as well as performance improvements. At the moment, you can see the slides on the screen for better understanding. So this is our today's video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.